Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Litecoin from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your Litecoin for better trading options or just to diversify, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitmart and that you have some Litecoin in your Uphold wallet. Always double-check that you're using the latest app versions to avoid any hiccups in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select Litecoin. You'll see an option to withdraw or send, click that. Now, head over to your Bitmart account. Go to your deposit page, select Litecoin, and copy the wallet address provided. This is crucial, so don't mix it up with any other currency. Back in Uphold, paste the Bitmart wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Hit review and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything to avoid costly mistakes. After you confirm, the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet to ensure the Litecoin has arrived. If you encounter any issues, both platforms have support teams ready to help. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Litecoin. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always stay informed and secure your accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.